All right, here we go. So it is the 7th, Thursday. Still first week in May. I'm up $178 on the day. I took one trade. I did size down for this trade. I just need to win some trades before I size up. I need to get my win rate up. So size down, took one trade. It was a banger. I thought today was a really easy day of price. I was bullish, obviously, just because of, every day is freaking bullish these days. But I had this low marked off. I had this low volume node, and I was like, we'll probably come down. We'll probably sweep out. I think I had this one marked off too. We didn't sweep out anything. We didn't fill the low volume node. We didn't even hit value area high of yesterday's distribution. We literally just went up. And I was just like, okay. Yeah, really easy day. The trade I took was obviously a long. And it was just another beautiful, beautiful reaction off the 5-minute opening range high. So, let's see. Yeah, so here's the 5-minute. And we have this high. I've been loving these 5-minute opening range highs. Like, they just give such good reactions. The 5-minute, the 15-minute. Oh, this was actually the low. My bad. Classic. All right, there we go. So, yeah, so we chopped around a little. And just, yeah, this was just all chop, chop, chop. I was just sitting here waiting. Yeah, ended up getting a absorption here. I guess if there was any short to take today, this probably would have been it, just off of this absorption of the high here, because there really was no other shorts like at all. So we broke out here to the downside. I wasn't really looking at shorts here for a couple reasons. Number one, the low volume node we created was like way up here in a weird spot. And it was not really close to this low. There was no low volume node here. We also just ripped straight back up with high volume. And I didn't really want to take shorts anyway. Because, I guess you could have taken one off of this. I don't know. I did not like shorts here, obviously, just being super bullish. I did think maybe this low could get taken out, but yeah, I just didn't want to take this. This was just weird, especially with the way we broke back inside immediately. So I just sat here. I was really waiting for a break to the upside, because that was really where the bias was. And then we get that. We get a really nice strong break here. And this was actually the 15-minute opening range high was like right here too. So we broke both of those with high volume, which was really good. So 9.4, 10K. And I was like, okay, waiting for a trade to the upside. And we had a low volume node. This was we have two low volume nodes. This was the one I wanted to see get hit, obviously the lower one. There's one like right there, but I wanted to see this one get hit. It was right on the 5-minute, like literally perfect. Yeah, so we come down here, we get it. I was just waiting for it to get filled completely, which right here it does, and there we go. So we get the absorption. I should have slowed that down a little bit. I actually entered right here, and I just had my stop below the low volume node and the opening range high, and I was just targeting about a 1 to 1.7, and I'm risking $100 here just to make 170, obviously. And right here, I did end up moving my stop to break even here. The reason why, we didn't actually form this yet, but we were getting a higher high on the CBD, and we weren't making a higher high here. This was exactly what happened yesterday with that trade I took. It was a very similar long to this that ended up getting stopped out. So I moved my stop to break even. I figured, if we're bullish, we'll probably rip right up and take these highs out. And that's exactly what we do. We just continue up. This does not get stopped out. And we do end up hitting take profit on this one. Just in a couple more candles. There it is. So take profit hit. Could I have targeted this high? I definitely could have. I had a really good conviction that high was getting hit. And actually, after this, though, I stayed on the charts here. There was a really, really amazing setup. So once this high gets taken, I'm looking at the volume profile and, where's the volume profile at? So this obviously pushed through really aggressively. And we have this absolutely incredible low volume node right here. And I was like, holy shit, this is sitting right at this external high. Like this is a great key level to take another long from. So I was kind of waiting here for a price to come back, and it does end up coming back, but unfortunately when it comes back, there was some sort of news candle. It moves so fast, and it looks like such a good setup on the, like, just like in hindsight, it looks like such an amazing setup, but in real time, this thing moved so quick. Unfortunately, it was not something I was able to take. But I was looking for longs from this zone. Did not want price to get back below this zone. I thought this was a great zone. Oh, there was, yeah, instant. So it was some news candle, unfortunately. And yeah, I mean, we react just perfectly off this. I mean, this is perfect. Like, I would have wanted to enter, like, after this absorb, like, probably like here. Yeah, probably here. My stop could have been pretty tight. Yeah, I mean, this would have been a great trade. This was the trade that I wanted to take. Unfortunately, that candle formed too fast for me to actually do anything. And I mean, yeah, this just like I would have gone break even in literally 1 minute after this rip up, and we would have smashed TP after that. And yeah, we just keep going up here. So after this move up, and after this trade fails, I was like, or it doesn't fail, but I mean, you know, I was like, well, there's really not any more key levels. I was looking at this low volume node right here. It doesn't end up getting hit. We do end up hitting this one that's higher up here, but after this, I'm just like, the only trade I really want to take is from this area, and that already, like, happened, right? There's not really anything else that I want to take. I definitely don't want to take shorts. Like, and there's no key level to take a long from. So I just got off. Just was done for the day at this point. And I think that was probably the right decision. I don't know what ends up happening with this. Let's see what happens. It probably just keeps going up and up and up. I was thinking maybe we could react off this low volume node. We have this one down here. Yeah, we're just going up. Like, there's no real telling where, like, exactly we're going to retrace to. I mean, yeah, we're just going up and up and up, and not really any signs of where. I mean, this is a nice uptrend, but it's just like, where do we actually put our stop? Where do we enter? I mean, the only trades here would just be off of these low volume nodes that are created with these moves up and absorption. And I mean, you could enter. I guess I could enter those, but I don't know. I just thought that these levels were so good. There was no point in me staying on, so let's probably keep going up. So good day today. Really clean. I love these reactions we've been getting off the 5. I'm glad I finally took one, because I've been watching these happen and just sitting here and watching them happen. And now I finally took one. I need to be taking these. Like, they're so good. So getting some momentum towards the end of the week, hopefully.